Kia just pulled off something the competition wasn't expecting. A ground-up reinvention of the Seltos that directly addresses every complaint its owners have been making for years. If you have been holding off on buying a subcompact SUV because they all feel too cramped, too cheap on the inside, and too forgettable on the outside, the 2027 Seltos was built with exactly your frustrations in mind. And while most buyers assume a vehicle in this price range forces you to choose between a nice interior, real passenger space, and standout styling, the 2027 Seltos is arriving with all three, at a starting price that still undercuts most of the competition. All new bold styling. 6 years is a long run for any vehicle design. The original Seltos held up reasonably well, but it was never going to win any beauty contests. The 2027 model is an entirely different story. This is a ground-up redesign riding on a new K3 platform, and the exterior transformation is impossible to ignore. There's a certain frustration that comes with spending $30,000 on a vehicle and having it disappear into traffic. The subcompact segment has long been guilty of producing vehicles that look almost identical. Soft edges, timid proportions, forgettable grills. The 2027 Seltos is done with all of that. The inspiration comes straight from Kia's larger lineup. Think Telluride in a compact package. Boxy proportions, muscular fender flares, a wide grille, and flush door handles that give the whole vehicle a clean, planted stance. The opposites united design language brings the same angular character found on the EV9, including the signature star map LED lighting that runs as an animated welcome sequence every time you approach. New matte finish options, ivory silver matte, magma red matte, and dark gunmetal round out a visual package that is impossible to overlook. A bold exterior is one thing, but a great-looking shell means nothing if the inside still feels like an economy rental. And that is precisely where the 2027 Seltos makes its most dramatic statement yet. Completely redesigned interior. The old Seltos cabin was functional, decent quality, nothing particularly memorable. The 2027 interior makes it look like it belongs to a completely different era. Gone is the sea of black plastic and forgettable fabric. In its place is an airy, lounge-like cabin, drawing clear inspiration from the EV9. Most people spend more time sitting inside their vehicle than standing outside admiring it. For years, Seltos owners climbing into that dark, plasticky cabin after paying a near $30,000 price tag were left with a quiet sense of disappointment. That is the exact feeling Kia is eliminating. The center console is low and wide, and on select trims, the gear shifter relocates to the steering column, freeing up even more space. Dual 12.3-inch screens sit side by side under a single pane of glass, one for the gauge cluster, one for infotainment. Multi-tone interior color schemes are available even in lower trims. Selectable 64-color ambient lighting runs through the doors and dashboard. Front seats recline nearly flat with USB-C ports integrated into the seatbacks, and a panoramic glass roof replaces the basic sunroof of the outgoing model. Upscale is no longer a stretch when describing the Seltos. A nicer cabin is a big win, but a premium interior loses its appeal fast when passengers in the back are still cramped. So let's talk about what Kia did about that. Bigger and more spacious than before. One of the most persistent complaints about the old Seltos was rear seat tightness. Taller passengers felt it, families felt it. The 2027 model addresses that directly. Overall length grows by 2.2 inches to 174.4 inches, the wheelbase stretches by 2.5 inches to 105.9 inches, and the width expands to 72 inches. Anyone who has tried to fit two adults in the back of a subcompact SUV on a longer trip knows how fast that experience breaks down. Knees pressing into seat backs, cargo shoved wherever it fits. That scenario is becoming a thing of the past. Rear legroom is pushing toward 39 inches, up from 38.4 inches in the previous generation, putting the Seltos rear seat in competition with vehicles in much larger segments. Cargo space behind the rear seats grows from 26.6 to 27.8 cubic feet. The Seltos is not ballooning into something difficult to park. It is still a compact, agile vehicle, just with meaningfully more room where it counts. More space and a better cabin are compelling, but neither matters much if the technology behind the scenes can't keep up. And that is the next chapter in this story. New tech features. The 2027 Seltos is arriving with a technology package that puts it in the conversation with vehicles that cost significantly more. Highway Driving Assist 2 delivers semi-autonomous highway operation, including automatic lane changes on command. Long drives are where fatigue sets in fastest, and for buyers doing regular commutes or extended road trips, the difference between a vehicle that assists and one that demands constant attention is a genuine quality-of-life gap. Highway Driving Assist 2 closes that gap. Beyond the highway, forward and reverse, automatic emergency braking, braking, lane centering, a 360-degree surround view camera, parking sensors, and a safe exit warning are all part of the package. On the infotainment side, the system includes an AI voice assistant, the Kia Connect store for downloadable apps and display themes, and smartphone-based digital key 2. A 12-inch head-up display is available as well, and a new Harman Kardon sound system joins the existing Bose setup as a second premium audio option. For a vehicle in this price range, that is a genuinely impressive list. All of that technology is only as good as the powertrain carrying it, and what Kia decided to keep under the hood is actually one of the smartest calls they made. Proven and reliable engines. While nearly everything else on the 2027 Seltos is new, the engine lineup is carrying over from the previous generation, and for most buyers, that is going to be perfectly acceptable. Seltos buyers have always appreciated knowing exactly what they are getting under the hood. No first-year powertrain unknowns, no reliability surprises. That peace of mind is staying intact. Base models use the 2.0-liter naturally aspirated inline-4, rated at 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque, returning around 28 miles per gallon city and 34 highway with front-wheel drive. For buyers wanting more, the 1.6-liter turbocharged inline-4 produces 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, pairs with an 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive, and gets to 60 miles per hour in 7.3 seconds. A new terrain management system and the rugged X-Line trim round out the lineup. Proven reliability, familiar tech, solid efficiency. But if the gas engines are not efficient enough, Kia has something else in the pipeline, and it could be the most important addition to the entire Seltos lineup. Hybrid is coming. The 2027 Seltos Hybrid is in development, and while it will not be ready at the initial US launch, it is expected to arrive before long, almost certainly using the 1.6-liter GDI hybrid powertrain from the Kia Niro. Fuel costs are one of the most consistent pain points for subcompact SUV buyers. The current gas Seltos returns around 31 miles per gallon combined, but rivals like the Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid and Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid have been pulling ahead on efficiency. The Seltos Hybrid is about to change that equation. Combined output sits at around 140 horsepower. This version is not built for performance, but fuel economy is expected to improve substantially, putting it in direct competition with the segment's most efficient options. Hybrid models will also bring vehicle-to-load charging for powering devices directly from the battery, and Kia's Smart Regenerative Braking System 3.0, which automatically adjusts energy recovery to match driving conditions. When it arrives, the Seltos Hybrid will complete a milestone. Every gas-powered SUV and minivan in Kia's US lineup will offer electrification. All of this raises one final and very practical question. When does it arrive and what will it cost? Release date and price. The 2027 Kia Seltos is reaching US showrooms in the second half of this year. The starting price is landing at around $25,300, with the range extending to $33,000 for higher trims. It's a modest increase over the current model's $23,690 opening, understandable given the scope of changes. Kia continues building the Seltos in South Korea, keeping import costs manageable. Gas engine models arrive in 4 trims: LX, S, EX, and X-Line, with hybrid models following in S, EX, and X-Line configurations shortly after. The 2027 Kia Seltos arrives as a genuinely different vehicle from the one it replaces. The styling is bolder and more purposeful, drawing from the Telluride and EV9 rather than blending into the subcompact crowd. The cabin is transformed. Better materials, bigger screens, and a more upscale feel than this segment typically delivers. Rear passengers are finally getting the legroom they deserve, cargo space is up, and the overall footprint grows without becoming unwieldy. The technology package punches well above the asking price. The proven engines keep reliability intact, and the hybrid version is set to bring class-leading efficiency once it arrives. With a starting price of around $25,300 and a ceiling of approximately $33,000, Kia is making a strong case that you no longer have to compromise to stay in this segment. But even with such significant improvements, no one can guarantee commercial success, because this is an extremely tough segment. If you want to check what competitors are preparing for the next year, make sure to watch our next video about the reasons to wait for the 2027 Honda HR-V. Honda's subcompact is coming with important updates that will solidify its position as one of the segment leaders.